Yeah, it's coming right at us.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Awesome, dude.
Look at that.
It's so fucking cool.
That's awesome.
He didn't really fly over Getty as much as he flew over UCLA.
Yeah. Well, actually, he flew right over Getty.
Yeah, but it's nice that he's closer to us.
Yeah, that is nice. Actually, it would have been pretty cool if he was one